rotating or synchronizing properly.
Mobile apps are notorious for being underdeveloped and pushed out the door.
Very true.
Oh,
Something just happened.
Yeah. And I hate this when it happens to you guys because I don't think hopefully they give you a little bit of a break. It takes longer than normal, but there are other ways to get there.
Yeah.
Coming back from Colorado Springs today, coming around got off on North Academy, heading north, got to right before Interquest and said, look at the time, usually it's 35, 40 minutes or something. I went, 2 hours to 470. It was the same thing.
Ooh. Yeah, whatever happened was
Oh, it's right there.
Nasty. Usually by the time I run across these scenes, the cops are already on.
Well, like you said,
this is very fresh.
They said it just happened. And there's more than one thing.
The airbags.
Looks like there's one off on the side and one over here.
Yeah. Oh, there's the other car.
Okay, so we had a ping pong effect.
Yeah. I don't know, they were honking at me for whatever reason. Like I wasn't getting out of their way fast enough or something.
My goodness.